It is September, not quite the middle of September, but I'm going to do one more solid harvest on my summer garden. I got some gourds to harvest, maybe a few tomatoes, my okra, even a little bit of kale. So I'm going to do one more harvest, and then I'm going to be shutting down for the most part my summer garden, and I'm going to let the goats in there, and the goats are going to clean up the garden for me, I hope, like they did last year. They will. I need to do a pumpkin update video. I know I didn't do one in August. Things just got busy. But very, very soon we'll be doing a pumpkin update video. But let's go ahead and do our last big harvest of the summer. We got a little fall garden going, so we never really stopped growing food here on the homestead. Even in the winter, we got mushrooms going. So there's always some sort of food growing for us. Man, I got a lot of squash. Well, 7 or 8 nice swan gourds. So let's go ahead and harvest those first. Well, this looks like my last big summer harvest. I got these swan squashes. I don't know what I'm doing with them. Or swan gourds. I don't know what I'm doing with them. I just picked them because they look cool and I had fun growing them. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them. But they are a fun thing to grow. I got a nice bowl full of tomatoes, small sized tomatoes, a few big ones. I got enough okra to make a good solid okra meal, and I got some peppers. I got a birdhouse gourd. I even got a little bit of kale. I have some longer okra. I'm not really going to show that too much because I got a little video coming up for Nathan Sampson on the okra challenge, my longest okra, to see if I win that. But it has been a fun summer garden season. The fall garden is in. There's little beets about that big sprouting. And the fall garden is small, but it is mighty. And I can't wait to see how my fall garden goes. Only my second time doing a fall garden. Not as big as last year, but I think I'm doing it a little better than last year. So I'm excited to see what type of food I get from the fall garden. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Whistle Thicket.